Hi Santhosh.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Thanks for asking. How are you, sir?
Oh, great. Thanks for that. And where are you from, Santhosh?
I'm from Narsambet, sir.
Narsampet.
Yeah.
Oh, great. I mean, so how you got to know about SP professionals? I mean,
Yeah.
it's very long, right, from
Yeah.
Narsampet to here.
One of my friend told me about these institutions. Uh, it provides a finance knowledge to the people who wants to start their career in finance. So through that, my friend, I got to know this about this institution.
Okay. So, like, what is your experience here exactly? Like,
I took 2 months of coaching here. So in that period, I have experienced a lot things and learned a lot things in this. I have learned knowledge, finance knowledge and subject, and
Okay.
I have improved my communication skills and self-confidence
Nice.
levels,
Nice.
and how to be, how not to be in the MNCs, and the basic requirement skills were learned in this institution, sir.
Great. So you learned this all.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you satisfied with this training?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Because I got a job in top MNC, which is Wells Fargo.
Great.
Definitely.
Excellent.
I feel satisfied through this company. Sorry,
Okay.
this institution.
Oh, that's fine. Not an issue. But see, Santosh, which college you are from?
Yeah, I am from Balaji Institute of Technological Science, which is located in Narsambet.
Okay, BITS. They
yeah,
call it as
BITS.
BITS. Okay, fine. So you're from BCom or MBA?
MBA Finance.
MBA Finance.
Yes.
MBA Finance. And but anyways, we are very much happy that you got placed, and seriously, thanks for your time and.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
I am
great.
also very much happy towards this
that's
institution.
great.
And
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.